Saturday, May 28th, and it looks like it's going to be raining all day today. Oh, the camera's dirty. The lens is dirty. I hope that audio on the camera here was fine from yesterday's vlog. Like I said, I'm hoping to get my mic next week. It probably won't be until like Wednesday or something. Alright, time to cook some breakfast. Well, this is how I cook my bacon. I take paper towel. That way my stove don't get greased up. Put a few slices on a plate and napkin on the bottom. Grab another napkin and just put it right over top of that. And then put it in the microwave about 9 minutes. Start. Okay, here's what it looks like right there. Take it off of here before it sticks. Yeah, right there. Here you got your bacon. Raining good, huh, bud?
What?
It's raining good.
You can hear it on the roof.
Yeah.
Sounds like it's hailing. You can just see the bird pecking at the grass.
The rice.
I'll have a spoon.
Mom and Cole still sleeping. Wanna go bowling?
Yes.
Where are we going, Cole?
I'll go bye-bye. I'll go bye-bye.
Where are we going bye-bye to?
I'll go bowling.
Go bowling?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Without my microphone.
It's much better.
What? No, the quality is not good. Oh my god, look at that. Oh boy. I think I should go chase it.
I think not.
Okay, bud, we are here. You wanna go bowling?
Yes. No.
He's
Yeah.
still sleeping. Yes.
It's a bowling day for the family.
I'll try.
You hear that? Okay, let's go.
Go ahead, bud. Yeah. Okay. Just one lane.
You said that the deal is not cute. I can just take it. This is the right one.
Ready to bowl, bud?
Yes.
Other foot. I need the other foot.
And then push what?
Go ahead, press enter now.
Right here?
Yep. Okay, press number 2. To me.
C
C-H-A-N-T.
H A N T. Enter then.
Enter. Okay. Oh. Good job, bud.
I gotta get spare.
Almost spare?
Yeah. Oh, the spare. I get spare. Yeah.
Cool, what'd you get?
I won.
What'd you get?
I get a strike.
You get a strike?
I get a spare.
Oh, spare.
Dad, can I go? Can I?
Hold me, Mom.
Hey, Dad, it's the same
I should show you the video from last year.
Yeah.
When you were like in the puddle splashing like crazy. Now it's like you won't even get your shoes wet.
We are going to, what's that called? That, where the gerbils are
Prairie
at?
dogs.
Oh, prairie dogs. Here in fact, I want to get it flying into the clouds. Let's not lose it.
Can it actually go in the clouds?
Yeah.
What? And the cloud pieces come down.
Yeah, I want to see the inside of the cloud.
Yeah, if it's low enough, the clouds, it can go in.
Yeah, I really wanted to see what's inside a cloud. Probably feels the same as cotton candy.
Yeah, it's like cotton candy. Wonder what flavor it is.
Vanilla?
Could be.
As it's white.
Yeah, I wonder if it's fluffy too.
That'd probably be fluffy. And then you jump on it, poof!
Yeah.
Go right through it. Ah, poof, poof.
It just stopped raining here, and
Yay. Puppies.
hopefully it doesn't start again as soon as I put my drone up. Careful, watch
Next
out.
time we come here, we should bring our fishing poles.
Yeah, we should have brought our fishing pole.
Fish.
Ooh,
This is maggots all over it.
look at that. Woo, that's stinky. Okay, come on.
I just run.
This is nice here.
This reminds me of when I was still on maternity leave.
Mom, my
We had that, what vehicle was it? Navigator?
Is it?
We came and had a picnic in the back of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came down here. I wanted to get your impulse, or you standing over there, and the train came by.
Oh yeah.
That's priceless.
Hello,